What's up, my fabulous love bug goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. Well, this is a requested recipe, homemade pineapple juice from start to finish. That's what you requested, and that me I go give right now in my Jamaican kitchen, right? Now, if you are here for your first time watching me make up this pineapple juice, well, make sure that you have subscribed. If you have not already subscribed, feel free to do so, and then turn on your post notification settings goodie, so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload brand new videos like this, any kind of video. You will always know when I upload videos. So let's jump right into the recipe.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know him no obligation, but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you forget. Turn your back on your brother when him.
Okay, goodie, let's jump right into it. Pineapple is tough on the outside and sweet on the inside. It's a tropical fruit that is packed with nutrient. It includes anti-inflammatory, digestive aids, immune booster, arthritis and joint pain fighter, vision protector, dental and bone strengthener, anti-cancer, blood clot, fertility issues, yes, makes tea and juice as well as vinegar. It is also great for stock when you're making your recipes and you want to have that little flavor to it. Yes, you can use it for that. Okay, boo, let's get right into it and talk about all your ingredients you're going to need to make the best pineapple juice right here. Now, I'm going to be adding my dried eucalyptus leaf. Eucalyptus leaf is high in oxyantioxidant and flavonoids. It makes medicine as well. It also aids and protects your body from stress, many conditions like asthma, bronchitis, plaque and sore throat, congestion, treats skin care, reduces pain, and promotes relaxation, right? So we are definitely going to be adding our eucalyptus leaves to it. Now, bay leaf is a good source of vitamin A and C. Let's see, it's iron, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Including bay leaves to your meals promote general health. Bay leaves can also be used for some of the worst migraine headaches that you could ever have. Bay leaf is the way to go. Now, ginger health is good. It's good for pain and inflammation, nausea, blood flow, blood sugar level, cholesterol problems, ovarian problems, and reduces menstrual pain and more. I love a good glass of peppermint tea. Peppermint is known to improve energy, helps with tension headaches, freshens breath, clogs sinuses, help with menstrual cramps and sleep, and fight bacteria and inflammation. So if you're having any kind of bacterial problem, just drink yourself a nice hot cup of peppermint tea. It helps, right? Now let's jump right into it. Now I have my pineapple here, and my pineapple been sitting for a couple of days. When I'm making pineapple juice, I like to have my pineapple just sit and get kind of old, and where the skin is kind of shriveled. That's when I know that my pineapple is ready to go. Now, all I'm doing here is adding some cold water to it, right? We're going to loosen up that dirt from the pineapple itself, right? We are definitely going to do that. I'm using probably about, I'd say like 5 cups of water. I did cover it up for 10 minutes. Take it back off after 10 minutes and rotate it again. I did this for a total of about I did it for a total of about 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes I went in and turned it just to make sure that the dirt was loosened up from the pineapple peel itself, because you'll have things that is hidden inside of those cracks that you cannot see from the naked eye, but when water hit it and it starts to soak, it is going to loosen up from the skin, right? Perfect. So after 30 minutes, I was ready to move on to my next step. Now with a toothbrush, clean toothbrush, not the one where you use to do your edges and all, and for your baby ear. No, not the toothbrush there. A toothbrush that has not been used, goodie. We are going to loosen up any suspects that is hiding, in fact, on that pineapple right there. So I did clean it up for, I would say, another 5 to 10 minutes. I just took my time with it. You could just, visualize how long or how clean you think your pineapple is, but you want to make sure that your pineapple is in fact clean when you are making this kind of a pineapple juice, because you are using the skin only to make this juice. So you want to make sure that that pineapple skin is cleaned thoroughly. Here I just gave it a nice like a baby rub just to make sure that the thing was nice and clean. After I got done doing that, boo, I went ahead and I started peeling off my main essential, which is my pineapple peel that I will be using only to make this pineapple juice, right, goodie? Like I said before, my pineapple, I always, when I buy it, I like to just let it sit and get really, really, really like ripe, sweet. I think it's sweeter when you do it that way. And so I just went ahead and just cut off my imperfections. But any imperfections that I cut off, I'm going to be also using it. But not going to waste anything. Besides the stem of the pineapple, that's the only thing that I'm going to throw out. But everything else will be making my juice. So I just go ahead and put them in a container and set it aside, cut off the stem right there, so. And now I am going to open up the pineapple, right? We're gonna open it up, because inside of your pineapple, when you pop it open like that, that is called the heart. My mother always called that the heart of the pineapple, which is pretty hard, and we always discard that. When we're eating pineapple, we always cut out the heart and we always throw it away because it is tough. But that right there contains a whole lot of goodness that is also a energy immune booster, and that is what's going to help you with your arthritis and your joint pain. So we want to keep those into the pineapple juice itself. So I just went ahead and cut those out and add it to the pineapple peel. Right, we're going to use all of that goodie to make our pineapple juice. And then with the remaining of my pineapple, I just went ahead and slice those up and put it in my refrigerator, and everybody was just eating pineapple. Yes, because pineapple is good for you, boo. It's good for the JJ too. If you never know, yes, now you know. Alright, so I went ahead and gave it another little wash. Even though I washed it earlier, I went ahead and I gave it a nice little wash, because I don't know a mistake about washing, right? Cleaning and washing, and yes, we're going to give it a nice little rinse and make sure it's nice and clean for boiling, because we are going to be boiling these pineapple peels. The things that we always throw in the trash, we are going to be using it to make our juice. Then I went ahead and cut up my peppermint, and I cut up my ginger, and I only cut off the imperfections because I left my peel on, because my peel, honey, is going to be helping me to keep and to prevent ovarian cancer from coming anywhere near me. So we are going to just slice it up, and we are going to add it to our water, our hot boiling water. You want to make sure when you're doing this, your water is already boiling on your stovetop, and you're going to put this into hot boiling water, because you want it to start to boil immediately. You want everything to start bursting out of its goodness and its gloriness immediately when you put it inside your pot, right? Make sure you have hot boiling water. Now here I have, I think, about 8 cups of water. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my good stuff inside of that hot boiling water, 8 cups. And based on how much you're making, you might want to add more water, you might want to add less, but I did in fact add about 8 cups of water to my pot, right? Then I added my eucalyptus leaf and my bay leaves and my peppermint, and I did add my ginger to it. Okay, so you go ahead and you put all of your stuff inside of that thing there, and I am going to let it boil for about 30 to 40 minutes on low to medium heat, but definitely not high heat, because you don't want to boil everything out. So you're going to have it boil between low to medium heat, right? Good. Then you just cover it up and set it aside. Then when you come back after that 30 minutes, this is what you will have, right? You're going to have that. That's exactly how it looks. It's going to boil down a little bit. Now if you want, you could go ahead and add back some more water to it. But when you add your water to it, goodie, you are going to just shut the heat off. Turn the heat off, right? So if it boils down too much, you shut the heat off and just leave it overnight. Now, if you're still here watching me, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up and tell me what you like to have me cooking always. I always have some really good recipes here, and they're always fast and easy to follow. If you don't see what you want, ask and I will deliver. I always deliver, you know. Yes, boo. And them always yummy. Now, while you're here, just go ahead and subscribe to my second channel, Life as Juliana. Always have inspirational videos, Dollar Tree DIYs. They're always good. Vlog and more. Whatever comes to mind. All my vegan recipes are on that channel. There will be no more vegan recipes here, so go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel, Life as Juliana, over there. Right, I am waiting for the LOVE love. So yes, so the thing said boo. Now after 24 hours, the next day, that is what I have right there. Now it's time for me to go ahead and strain off that goodness right I saw and get my juice ready because it was smelling so good. I usually strain it 3 times. Anytime I'm making juice like this or in the blender or anything, I love to strain it. Now, after you're done doing all of that, this right here has done what it's supposed to do. It is all worn out and done out, and I'm throwing that in the trash. Strain off my juice right there. See, that's all backed up. Yucky. I don't want that. But make sure you strain it really well. If you want to use whatever of your choice, you go ahead and you strain it off how you want it. Cheesecloth, whatever, strain or whatever. But that is what the pineapple juice looks like when you are said and done. I did go ahead and add some lemon into it because of course your girl love our lemon. It's good for my weight loss and all them thing there, and it freshens my breath. And yes, I had my lemon to it. Yes, honey, we have to add it. Have to add some lemon to it. Now you could add any sweetener you want. You could go ahead and drink it however you want, just like that. But I did add some organic cane sugar to it, and then I had a couple of slices of lemon to it, and that was it. That's all I needed to do. Like I said before, you could just drink it just like that. Did go outside and get some peppermint from my tree, and that peppermint is coming along really, really well. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it into my glass. Yes, boo. And my pineapple juice was done. It's pineapple juice has a life of its own. You could just see the healthiness coming out of that glass. Like, it's so delicious, y'all. Give it a try, and I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy this juice. You've been asking me to make this pineapple juice for a long time, maybe a year now. Ask me or more, and I'm just starting to just try to get these juice recipes out. There's so many recipes you guys are asking me for. Thanks for loving me the way that you do. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next one. Talk to you later. Bye.